Can you able to express this in terms of a matrix? Yes. A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, A2n, AN1, AN2, ANN into X1, X2, Xn. What is the right? 0, 0, spawn 0. This is in which form? A x equal to 0 bar. 0 bar is a column vector, zeros. 0 bar is nothing but a 0 column matrix. When the right side of, see here, every equation is 0. That is a homogeneous. That is a homogeneous system. Simply, what is a homogeneous system? A x equal to 0 bar. A x equal to, right side of the every equation is 0. Dear students, don't worry. Here I will write few examples. 2x plus 3y equal to 0. X plus 0. This is an example for which system? Homogeneous system. Homogeneous system. Because right side is 0. Okay. X plus y plus z equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 3z equal to 0. X plus y minus z equal to 0. The second example also belongs to, tell me, homogeneous. Homo, every equation, the right side is 0. Right side is, if the right side is other than 0, that is non-homogeneous. If the right side is other than 0, that is non-homogeneous. If the right side is clearly 0, that is homogeneous. It is easy to identify what is homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Okay, na? Not. Last bench. Stand up. నువ్వే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందా లేదా? వాట్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ నౌ? అర్థం కాలేదు. రాస్తున్నావా? ఏం రాస్తున్నావు? There is a lot of difference between laughing and writing. Remind that. Remember it. I did not say sit. Yes. Yeah, sir. What is your name? Varun. Manoj. Can you please define the homogeneous system? Here, what is 0 bar? 0? What is bar? What is 0 bar means? What is 0 bar? 0 bar is a column matrix that contains zeros. That contains, you are not understanding. Your focus is somewhere. Sit. Don't repeat. I want one more duster. This is not properly working. బస్టర్ కావాలి. Everybody, did you remember about the two definitions? Consistent and inconsistent system. Consistent means as a solution or more than consistent. Let me explain the behavior of complete picture about this. In fact, in the medical life, we say if you have any injury, just we go for scanning, CT scan or MRI scan to get the whole picture what happened. Yes or no? By using the feeling, doctor able to see what is the damage that was happened or is everything fine. So it's a report, complete report. Now I am giving the complete report in terms of mathematics. It's like a scanning report. Okay, now how this homogeneous system will behave. Are you able to understand? Are you following me? Yes, behavior of. Before that, I will define two things. These two letters I will define. So I will use two letters. One is small r. What is small r? Rank of a given matrix. Awesome. And what is small n? Number of unknowns. Number of. See, suppose if the equation x plus y equal to 0. What is the equation? Number of unknowns are 2. X, y. If the equation contain x, y, z, number of unknowns are x, y, z, w, 4. Yes, these are the variables are the unknowns. Variables are the R is rank of a matrix. R is how you get the rank of a matrix using echelon form. Using echelon form. Column operations are permitted only and also in the Gauss-Jordan method by in finding the inverse. Except that every we use echelon form only. Do you remember this? And in echelon form only row operations are permitted, not the column operations. Okay. See, what is this? What I have written? If clearly the rank of a matrix equal to number of unknowns when the strength of these two are same, the system will contain zero solution. Which solution? That is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. That's it. Only one clarity. When the rank number of unknowns, if these two are same, the system has zero solution. Which solution? Okay. Is there any other case? Yeah, certainly. One more important case is there. What is the case? Rank less than n. Rank less than number of unknowns. In this case, the system will contain infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. Okay, and note number of linearly independent. Okay, I will explain the point what I have written clearly after few minutes. Don't worry about that. Please concentrate on two. Case one. First case is when these two are same, rank and number of unknowns. That gives which solution? Zero solution. And when rank is less than number of unknowns, it gives infinite number of solutions. It gives okay. In the process of finding the infinite number of solutions, you must identify the independent solutions. Later, you have to identify the depending solutions. How to identify independent? I will explain. I am here. You don't worry. First, concentrate. Left side will give you zero solution. The right side will give you infinite number of solutions. Right? At present, please copy this. And once you copy, I will tell you how to find out the independent solutions, what is independent, what is dependent, how to find out, I will explain. That is my responsibility. Note down this. And listen carefully, you will get clear picture about the concept. By the end of 4, you will clearly understand homogeneous, non-homogeneous. And tomorrow I will start unit 2, eigenvectors and eigenvalues, Hamilton theorem. Remain. Sorry. Okay. Can you able to hear me? Right. Sir, వినిపిస్తుందా? Mic. Okay. If R equal to n, that means rank of a matrix equal to number of unknowns, the system will contain zero solution. X0, Y0, Z0. Stop murmur. If R less than n, the system will contain infinite number of solutions. The system will contain infinite number of solutions. SYS means, all of you, system. Shortcut word I am using. SYS means system. System means system of matrices. And the number of linearly independent solutions is n minus r. Number of linearly independent solutions are n minus r. So try to focus on what I explained. నువ్వు కూడా అమ్మా. డస్టర్ వచ్చిందా మేడం? ఎస్. Have you finished? The number of, what is the last sentence? Number of linearly independent solutions, n minus r. నువ్వే ముందుకు రా. నీ ముందు నువ్వే ముందుకు రా. దగ్గరికి కూర్చో. కూర్చో. ఇక్కడ కూర్చో. కింద కాదు, పైన కూర్చో. సార్ మేడం ఒకటి కావాలి మేడం, డస్టర్. కష్టం ఉంది. డస్టర్ అంటే కొత్తది ఏంటి? కొత్తదా? కొత్తదే ఇట్లుందా? పాల్గొని కూడా సరే. సరే సరే. ఓకే. Hello everybody. Okay, in spite of little difficulties, still I am interested to continue because the topics are important. These are the minor difficulties. Will never disturb my intention to finish the concepts. You people are taking the advantage for small things. So one thing, this is your institution. is a part of your life. So we have 5 fingers, not all the 5 fingers having the same size. But when you join, it gives some strength. When you mix some item to eat, it will give you some support. Am I right? There are some difficulties we have to overcome. Okay, don't insult. If you are insulting the furniture or everything, the infrastructure here, you are insulting yourself. మిమ్మల్ని మీరు ఇన్సల్ట్ చేసుకోవడము. మీ నేమ్ కింద కైట్ అని ఉంటుంది. పర్సూయింగ్ గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ అండర్ కైట్, మీది ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్, అన్నీ మీవే. ఒకటి మాత్రం గుర్తుంచుకోండి, ఇట్స్ లైక్ యువర్ హోమ్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఇస్ ద లాస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ ఇన్ ద రైట్ సైడ్ ఐ హావ్ రిటన్? Okay, concentrate here. What is the concept of this independent solution? This will arise when the system contain infinite solutions. How many? Infinite solutions. Like x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. All these are solutions. Remember, when the system contain infinite solutions, one solution is independent. Sometimes two solutions are independent. Like captain of the ship, captain of the team, a class representative of the classroom, a leader of some community. He is independent. Suppose if x1 is independent, then remaining all are depending on the x1. Like this x2 will depending on that. This x3 will depend. Every solution will depending on x1 only. Here x1 is the boss, and remaining are his followers. X1 is independent, is not depending on anyone. But whereas x2, x3, x4, x5 all are depending on x1. Now here when you are finding the solution, if you find out that CR, that leader, supreme leader of the solution x1, then remaining solutions will automatically come. That is the advantage of infinite solutions. When the system will contain infinite solutions, you are not supposed to find all the infinite solutions. We don't have that much of time. Even our lifetime will not enough to find all. That is why if you find one, it is easy to find the remaining. It is easy to find the remaining. Are you getting my point? It's simple logic in our life. See here. I will say some terms. You have to say the remaining terms. A square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus g square plus h square plus I square plus. నేనేం చెప్పలేదు. యు ఆర్ టెలింగ్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. నేనేమని చెప్పానా? నేనేం చెప్పాను? ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ సి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ డి స్క్వేర్. యూ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఈ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ స్క్వేర్. ఎలా వచ్చింది ఐడియా? బై అబ్జర్వింగ్ ద ప్యాటర్న్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ ఫోర్. అంటే బై అబ్జర్వింగ్ ద ప్యాటర్న్ ఫస్ట్ ఫోర్ ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు నాట్? ఇది కూడా ఇలాంటిదే. ఇక్కడ మనకు కావాల్సింది ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఎవరు? ఇండిపెండెంట్. వాడొక్కడు ఇండిపెండెంట్. రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ డిపెండెంట్. The system contains infinite number of solutions. The first solution is 1, 2, 3. X1, Y value 2, Z value 3. Good. Another solution. Another solution x2. What is x2? Second solution enti 2, 4, 6. Let us assume third solution is 3, 6, 9. Fourth solution is 4, 8, 12. Fifth solution is 5, 10, 15. Now, what is x1? x1, 1, 2, 3. x2, 2, 4, 6. What is x2? Take 2 common. Take 2 common from here. If you take 2 common, that is nothing but 2 times of this 1, 2, 3 can be replaced by x1. 1, 2, 3 can be replaced by x2 equal to 2 times of x1. What is x3? 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3. 3 x1. x4, 4, 8, 12. 4 common. Once again, 1, 2, 3. 4 x1. Therefore, what is x2? x2, 2x1. x3, x4, x5, x6. All the values are depending on, is x1 is depending on anybody? x1 దేని మీద డిపెండ్ కావట్లేదు, బట్ రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఇండిపెండెంట్, ఎవరు డిపెండెంట్? x2 x3 అని డిపెండెంట్. అంటే మనకు కావాల్సింది ఎవరు మరి? ఫస్ట్ ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఫార్ములా కూడా ఇచ్చాను. ఏంటది? n మైనస్ ఆర్. x1 కావాలి కదా. ఇఫ్ సమ్మన్ ఎంటర్ ఇంటు ద క్లాస్, he will teach you. I have to present here. అలానే x1 ఎలా వస్తుంది ఇక్కడికి? If you apply a simple formula. What is the formula? n minus r. Yes, if you catch that particular person, independent one, x1, automatically remaining follows without any disturbance. Are you getting the logic of independent and dependent? Right. In the solutions, first solution is independent, remaining on x1. Take this. Now you are getting complete knowledge before solving the problems. Now the problems are very easy. And we will talk about these independent solutions when rank less than n. When rank equal to n, that gives zero solution. In zero solution, no need. ఇదంతా అవసరం లేదు. In infinite number of solutions only, we require these concepts. Okay? Following? Blue shade, keep quiet. We copied. ఇలాంటి ఒక రోజు వస్తుంది అనుకోలేదు, వచ్చింది, తప్పదు. బట్ హ్యావ్ ఏ ఫన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ అప్లయింగ్ F equal to ma. The total force acting on the board equal to his mass into his acceleration. His mass into his, okay na, energy or mass, fundamentals of conservation of energy. Matter neither created nor destroyed. It will transfer from one form to another form. Yes, we have, okay na, matter inside the stomach because few minutes before we have little matter, right? That has converted into some kinetic energy. Which energy? Kinetic energy. Wow, of mv square. Of mv square. Yes, good. First problem. And see, all are maths, physics, chemistry are interrelated. Yes or no? So whatever the food you have, some chemical reactions are going, right. Chemistry. Already in the canteen, you are come up. You are with chemistry, right? Now he's applied the physics. With the help of these two, now I am entering into maths. MKC. MKC. కొత్తగా ఏం లేదు, definition వచ్చింది. Test silence. Test the consistency of the system. Okay. First problem. Test the consistency of the system. అమ్మాయి రాయాలమ్మా. Test the consistency of the system. X plus y minus 3z plus 2w equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 2z minus 3w equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus z minus 4w equal to 0 minus 4x plus y minus 3z plus w equal to 0. Is it homogeneous or non-homogeneous? Right side is clearly 0. Yes, without any second thought. Yes, your answer is right. I accept your answer. Convert the system into the matrix. 1, 1, minus 3, 2, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 4, 1, minus 3, 1. X, Y, Z, W equal to X equal to, which is homogeneous. Homogeneous. What is the next thing? we must able to determine the rank of a matrix. Determine the select a now into echelon start. Use the row operations. Find the rank of a matrix. Yes. Step one, the first step, by using the element, which element? One. By using the element one, make 2, 3, minus 4 to zeros. Make 2, 3, minus 4 to zeros. Using trans. అలా మనకండి row operations. Row only. Echelon form means aware of this. Yes. R2 implies R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R3 implies R4 implies nice. Tell me the output. 0, minus 3, 8, 0, minus 3, 8, minus 7. R2 minus 2, R1. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 2 plus 6, 8. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 7. Fine. Come on. 0, 10, minus next 0, 5, 15, 9. Here I will tell you a simple. Yes, of course. Notice here, Using minus 3, I have to make these two 0, but I will change the strategy. I will suggest it. Using minus 5, can you please make this element 0? Just concentrate on. Tell me. Uh, Using R3 minus 5, make R5 to 0. Acha, tell me what is the operation? R4 implies R4 plus, we are getting 1 0 happily. Simple operation. Tell me now what is A is equivalent to 1, 1 minus 3 to minus 3, 0, n, 0, 0, 0, minus 15. Minus 5 plus 5, 0, 10 minus 15, minus 5. Next, minus 10 plus 9, minus 1. Okay. See, can you please interchange third row and fourth row? Yes or no? Just small interchange. See, 1, 1, 0, 0. Next, minus 5, 10, minus 10. The first three rows are in perfect condition, right? Satisfying the echelon form. First three rows are in which form? We have to concentrate on which row? Fourth row. Fourth row. Here, all of you look at the board. Before 1, how many zeros? Before first row, first element 1. Nil. 1 ముందు ఏదైనా 0 ఉందా? లేదు. Nil. Before minus 3, before minus 5, 2. And still we have to make these two elements 0. ఇవి టార్గెట్ అమ్మా ఇప్పుడు. These two elements are our target. We'll achieve that. Don't worry. So what I do, first I will make the elements to small elements, simple elements. I will convert the elements to simple elements. How? R4 implies R4 by 5. R4 by 5. Then what is A is equivalent to now? 1, 1, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 3, 8, minus 7, minus 5, minus 1, 0, minus 1. Wait. Okay. A small thing. Anyhow, we are dividing with 5, right? Divide with minus 5. Divide with minus 5 by minus 5. 1. 10 by minus 5. Minus 10 by minus 5. 2. Next, which element is target? Yes. Okay. Make and convert this 1 to 0 using minus 3. What is the operation? So it's important. Make this element 0 using minus 3. R4 implies 3R4 plus R2. Do this. You may do in different way. That is your wish. Yes. The ways are not unique. This is my way, అంటే easily. So when the elements are little, okay na, big, that leads to some mistakes. ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది ఇది. Yes. Last bench, blue shirt, continuously talking. Come here. నువ్వే. Come forward. Blue shirt. Black t-shirt. నీకు ఫ్రంట్లో ప్లేస్ లేదు, ఇంకా చైర్స్ లేవు, అవి బయటకే. టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్. వన్ వన్ -3 to 0 0 0 0 -6 plus 8. How much? 2. Is it in the echelon form? Is it in the echelon form? No. What is the next target? 2. By using 5. Tell me. R4 implies simple. 5 R4, 2 R3. 1 1 -3 2 0 -3 8 -7 0 0 -5 -1 0 0 0 -5 -2. Rank is 0 row. 0 row unda. All are non-zero rows. Therefore, what is the rank of a matrix? What are the rank of a matrix? What are the number of unknowns? Number of unknowns. What are the number of unknowns? What are they? What are they? X, Y, Z, W. Excellent. Here, small n is X, Y, Z, W. What is the relationship between, dear students, what is the relationship between these two? Rank equal to n. See the algorithm. See the algorithm. When the rank and n both are same, what will happen? It gives which solution? Zero solution. Zero solution means here what is the answer? X0, Y0, Z0, W0. No need of infinite solutions. Don't talk anything about infinite. It has one solution. It has one. X0, Y0, Z0. Because what is the relationship between R and N? Good afternoon, sir. Rank equal to N. uh, you echelon form can be done in many ways. Only the technique. If you have any different ideology, you may implement to bring, but the final answer will be 4 only. Answer will not change. When you are doing right, the echelon form output will not vary from student to student. Good afternoon, sir. This falls under case 1, left side of the flow chart. Once again, I'm not forcing everyone to just do the echelon form using my way. If you have any different strategy of doing echelon form, you may implement. I appreciate that. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా నాలానే చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఏం లేదు, మీకు ఎలా కంఫర్ట్గా ఉంటే echelon form అలా చేయొచ్చు. బట్ డూ getting the answer is important, right answer. Okay, now I select another problem. It gives infinite number of solutions. Which solutions? Infinite. Okay, this is unique. This is also a unique one solution. 0 0 0 0. Now, what is the beginning of the question? What it started with the word is the consistency. Is it consistent? Yes or no? Solution is there. X0, Y0, Z0, W0. It's called a solution. So the solution is also a solution. Right, note. Zero solution is called zero solution is called trivial. Trivial. Called trivial solution. Trivial. Zero solution is called solution. And infinite number of solutions are called non-trivial solution. And infinite number of solutions are called infinite number of solutions are called infinite number of solutions are called non-trivial solution and non-zero solution. Zero trivial, zero trivial, infinite non-trivial and non-zero solutions. Now, is the consistency of the system. Second one, x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, 3x minus 5y minus 4z equal to 0, x plus 17y, what is a? 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3 minus 5, 4, 4. In this problem, what are the number of unknowns? Simple question. Number of unknowns. 3. What are those? X, Y, Z. Adi. X, Y, Z are unknowns. What is the matrix A? 1, 3. Ma? Okay, is it fine? Now stop talking now. Able to concentrate on the solution? రావట్లేదు. Yes? Okay, right, it's fine. Yes, third row last. What is your problem? Are you are not comfortable here? Kindly switch off your mobiles. Yes, first bench. Stop talking. Yes, yes, yes. Have you finished? May I know what is x value? X equal to 3k by 7 minus 2k. 3k, sending these two terms to right side. If you send minus 3k by 7 to right side, that becomes plus 3k by 7. And if you move this plus 2k right side, that becomes minus 2k. And what is LCM? Minus, yeah, finally we have, see, very important part. What is x? What is x? What is x? Y minus z. Now, stop writing. Where are the infinite solutions? Yes, See here, k common. K common. What you will get? Minus 11 by 7, 1. Once again, where are the infinite solutions? Yes. Kavala? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you put k equal to 1, if you put k equal to 1, that is the first solution. That is the, in fact, that is the leader, independent. If you put k equal to 2, that gives the second solution. If you put k equal to 3, third solution. If you put k equal to 4, fourth solution. This is the answer. This is the end of the problem. That is over. For your clarity, I am telling you, first solution చూడండి, ఇండిపెండెంట్ సొల్యూషన్. విచ్ సొల్యూషన్? ఇండిపెండెంట్. అదేంటది మనకు తెలిసింది ఏంటి? x1. ఎలా వస్తుంది అది? k ఈక్వల్ టు 1 పెట్టండి, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఎవ్రీబడి పుట్ k ఈక్వల్ టు 1. చెప్పండి, ఇఫ్ యూ పుట్ k ఈక్వల్ టు 1, వాట్ ఆర్ ద వాల్యూస్? minus 11 by 7, 1. ఇండిపెండెంట్. ఇప్పుడు డిపెండెంట్. k equal to 2. If you put k equal to 2, which solution you will get? Second solution. What is x2? Put k equal to 2. అన్ని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. మళ్ళీ ఇది డిపెండెంట్. Put k equal to 3. What is x3? Yes. If you put k equal to 3, minus 33 by 7. రిలేషన్ ఉందా? చూడండి అందరూ. minus 11 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 1. minus 22 by 7, minus 2 by 7, 2. What is the relationship between these two? ఈ రెండింటికి రిలేషన్ ఏంటి? x2 is 2 times of x1. x2 is 2 times of x3 is 3 times of x1. x4 is all are depending on, and for x1 independent, remaining all are. And one more thing, in the exam, when you are writing an internal or sem exam, answer up to this enough. This is not required. ఏది ఇండిపెండెంట్, ఏది డిపెండెంట్ చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, రాయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదు. ఇదంతా మీ గురించి రాశాను, మీ ఫర్ యువర్ నాలెడ్జ్. ఇక్కడ వరకు రాస్తే ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫినిట్ సొల్యూషన్స్. హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ఫినిట్ సొల్యూషన్. ఇఫ్ యూ పుట్ k equal to 1, that is the first independent. Even these solutions from 2 onwards, that will generate dependent solutions. k equal to 1 will generate which solution? Independent. From k equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, they generate depending. All are depending solutions are depending on independent x1. అది. Now are you getting the clarity now? This equation has which solutions? Infinite number of solutions. x1 will, చూడండి, that x1 will satisfy the given equations. x2 will also satisfy the given equations. కూడా given equations satisfy అవుతుంది. Infinite. Right? Yes. Have you given the access? Are you able to hear me? Yes. If the right side is other than 0, that is okay. This is a which system? It is a which system? Right side values 4, 8. This is a which system? Non-homogeneous. What are the right side values? 6, 7, 8. It is a which system? Even though you are observing 1, 0, remaining two values are not equal to 0. 4 and 5 are present, right? 4 and 5 are present. Middle value 0, no problem. But remaining two values are not equal to 0. Still it is a which system? Non-homogeneous. If right side, if right, in the right side values, if at least one value is not equal to 0, that is non-homogeneous. That is all zeros homogeneous. At least one not equal to 0, that is non-homogeneous. All are which systems, Amma? These are all non-homogeneous. What is the right side? 4, 8, other than 0. All these are other than 0. 4 and 5 are other than zeros. Non-homogeneous. Okay, na? Example for non-homogeneous. Note down. Later I will tell you how they behave. Yes. First, I am telling. It is very important to identify the system first. Homogeneous and non-homogeneous. So once again, I will give you the algorithm to find the solution. What is the procedure to find the solution for non-homogeneous? Okay, sir, you can. Yes. One more definition. A system which is not homogeneous is not homogeneous. అంతే కదమ్మా. What is homogeneous means? Right side all 0. If it is not homogeneous, then immediately we say that is non-homogeneous. Homogeneous కాకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది అది? Non-homogeneous. There are no three options. కదా? Tell me which is homogeneous, which is non-homogeneous. First example is homo. This is non-homo. And this. Next, heading behavior of non-homogeneous system. Ax equal to b. You remember I have given one chart, flow chart for homogeneous. Similarly, I will give you one important flow chart for non-homogeneous. Using this, we can understand how it behaves. Are you concentrating? Yes. Anyone can read this notation? If not A cross B, A by B, what is R? Rank. If rank of greater than rank of A, if rank of A by B greater than, system has no solution. System has inconsistent. The system is inconsistent when this condition exists. Okay. If rank of A by B equal to rank of A, then the system is consistent. Then the system is consistent. Consistent means it has a solution. Consistent means it has a solution or more than one solution. Okay. Now, consistent means concentrate. I will explain the right hand side. This one. I'm here. Okay. The word consistent is good, but is it a unique solution or is it a infinite number of solutions? Are you getting my point? Both are comes under the consistent only. One solution is consistent, more than one solution also consistent. Now, which type of solutions? That depends on, see here. If rank of A by B equal to rank of A, when the common ranks of these two are same, let us say that equal to R. If rank equal to N, that gives unique solution. Which solution? Unique solution. Once again, if rank of A by B and rank of A equal to, yes, rank is R. If rank is less than N, that gives which solutions? Infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. I explained. See here, I'm writing, please don't copy. When all the equations will meet at one point, it gives which solution? Unique solution. Which solution? When every equation, if they have no common point, no solution. All the equations are going parallelly. They are not meeting anywhere. They have no common point of intersection. There is no intersection. Every equation is going parallelly. అసలు ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవ్వట్లేదు అవి. They are not meeting at any particular place. నీ దారి నీదే, నా దారి నాదే, నా దారి నాదే. One is going on Hyderabad highway towards Hyderabad. One is going towards Vizag. One is going towards Vishakhapatnam. Equation. తిరుపతి, ఒకటి తిరుపతి, ఒకటి హైదరాబాద్, ఒకటి వైజాగ్. ఎక్కడ మీట్ అవుతాయి? All the different ways are. That is why they are inconsistent. They are inconsistent. Yes. Finally, yes. Okay. If all the equations, if all the equations represent only one line, which line? One line. Who is that fellow? X1. Who is X1? Next. Next. X3. Next. Next. Which type of solutions? Infinite. This is this is independent. These are this is consistent. This is also consistent. This is also why this is consistent. It has yes. ఒక solution ఉంది. Why this is consistent? Infinite solutions are there, consistent. But this is no solution. And here we have how many cases, Amma? Three cases. No solution, unique solution. Here we have how many cases? Three cases. No solution, unique, infinite. ఇది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? నో సొల్యూషన్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? వెన్ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ బై బి డామినేట్స్ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ, అప్పుడు వస్తుంది ఇది. ఏ బై బి ఏని డామినేట్ చేస్తే, వెన్ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ బై బి డామినేట్స్ ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ, ఇట్ లీడ్స్ నో సొల్యూషన్. ఈ కేసులోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది అది. హైదరాబాద్, విశాఖపట్నం, తిరుపతి, ఎవరికి ఎవరు సంబంధం లేదు. ఓకే, మరి ఇవి చూడండి. What is the condition here? If you want to get unique solution, the rank of these two must be same. The rank of which two are same? Rank of A by B and rank of A. When these two are same, and that is also same with n. If the rank is also equal with n, that leads to which solution? Unique solution. If the rank of these two are same, but that is less than n, then it leads to infinite number of solutions. Note down. All of you note down and try to again enter that chart, that algorithm in your mind. That is very useful in solving the problems. Ask one more fellow, Raja Sab. Countava. Also, last chance. When the rank of A by B greater than rank of A, the system has no solution. Rank of A by B and rank of A both are same, and that matches with the n value, that gives unique solution. And when the ranks are same and that is less than n, that leads to infinite number of solutions. Yes, have you finished? I will give you minutes of time not to discuss anything with others. Please focus your attention in your class notes or on that algorithm, and please try to insert the content in your mind. అది గుర్తుండాలి. Don't look at me, look at your notes. Now I started non-homogeneous. First I will tell you one problem on the inconsistent, and later consistent one and consistent more than one solution, and determining a values, b values, lambda mu, non-homogeneous. Okay, so assume that in all the three cases n is 3. Are you, are you concentrating here? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Please switch off your mobiles properly. What happened? Anything problem with me? Are you able to understand? Okay. What is the n value? 3. Okay. This line will separate A and B. Here I will write A. Here I will write B. Totally A by B. Before this vertical line, what is the matrix? ఈ లైన్ ముందు ఏముందమ్మా? A. What is the element? What are the elements that you are observing before this line? A. Simply, what are the elements of A matrix? A matrix element ఏంటి? 1 2 3 0 4 2. Good. 1 2 3 0 4 2 0 0 6. This belongs to A. Only concentrate on here. A. What is the rank of A? Only rank of A. 1 2 3 non-zero row. 0 4 2 non-zero row. 0 0 6 is the echelon form. Yes. How many non-zeros are there? 3. This is in terms of A. Now you are observing the entire matrix. See the entire matrix. The entire matrix also in the echelon form. Am I right? What is the first non-zero row? 1 2 3 minus 2. First row. Next row 0 4 2 5. Next row all are which rows? Entire matrix. What is the rank by B? What is the common rank? ఇప్పుడు ఇవి రెండు సేమా? What is the common rank? 3. Common rank? And both the ranks are same. Common rank is 3. What is R? 3. What is N? Rank equal to? That gives which solution? Unique solution. Now, observe carefully. What are the elements of A? 1 2 3 0 4 2 0 0 0. What is the rank of A? ఎందుకంటే ఏంటమ్మా ఇక్కడ ఏ ఏంటి 1 2 3 0 4 2 0 0 0. These two are non-zero rows. That is why rank is 2. What is the rank of A? 2. In A matrix, what is the last row? 0. What is the last row? ఏనే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను నేను. బి వరకు వెళ్ళలేదు, ఇది బి పార్ట్. -2 5 7 belongs to B. When I'm talking about A, ఇవి చూడొద్దు. డోంట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ దిస్ థింగ్. ఏ గురించి మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఈ లైన్ తర్వాత మనం చూడొద్దు, ముందే లైన్కి ముందే. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ? 2. వై ద ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇస్ 2? లాస్ట్ రో ఇస్ 0. ఇప్పుడు సి ఎంటైర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ మొత్తం చూడండి, ఇంకా సంబంధం లేదు. ఏ బై బి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ రో? 1 2 3 -2. సెకండ్ రో, థర్డ్ రో, all are non-zero rows. Now, what is the rank of entire matrix? Whole matrix. 3. What is the relationship between these two? This gives which solution? Okay. A, B, 1 2 3 -2. No, आगे चल ली. 0 4 2 5 0 0 0 0. Now you concentrate. What is the rank of A? What is the rank of A? A by B. Entire matrix. What is the last row? 0. What is the last row? What's the common rank is 2. Number of unknowns 3. What is the relationship between these two? Which solutions? Infinite solutions. Then immediately we have to find the independent solution. Who is the leader? Using the formula n minus r. And take the substitution and solve. That is different. I will show you. But are you understanding the situation? The first case, rank of A by B greater than rank of A. Second case, this case, ranks are same and equals with n. This is A by B dominates. Here, once again, rank is same, that is less than n. Yes, yes. Side. I'll give you side. Don't worry. Girls, you're looking like an innocent. You're not innocent. Boys, A means the elements which you are observing before the vertical line. A by B means total matrix. Want to say something? Any doubt? Nothing. Right. Of course, I will solve the problems. And then these are the just final outputs I concentrate on. First bench. That vertical line separates A and B. The before the vertical line, that A. Entire matrix A by B. Not every set of equations in the world contain the solution. Some equations do not contain any solution. This is the reason. Because the rank of A by B dominates the rank of A. In that case, you do not expect any solution. Yes. Very nice question. Rank cannot dominate the number of unknowns. That will never occur. Rank less than n only. The rank will never okay na dominates. Yes. ఎందుకంటే if you someone asks a question, if you want to multiply two matrices A into X, wait చేయండి. If you want to multiply two matrices, what is the condition? Number of columns in the must be match with the number of rows. అవి రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాల్సిందే. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ ఏంటి? కాలమ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఎక్స్ అనేది కాలమ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. సెకండ్ దాంట్లో ఎన్ అనేది ఈ కాలమ్స్ ఈ రోస్ మ్యాచ్ కావాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? ర్యాంక్ ఆర్డర్ కన్నా డామినేట్ ఉండదు, కాబట్టి ఈ కాలమ్ వెక్టర్ కన్నా డామినేట్ చేయదు అది. ఓకేనా? క్వశ్చన్. Stop murmur. Have you finished? Stand up. తల తిరుగుతుందా? గుఫేలో పిచ్చిగా ఉందా? Are you ready to solve one problem on the board? Are you able to? Then you are disturbing the class. You have no rights to disturb the class. Parents are spending a lot of amount here because they have some hope on you. You will learn something. Yes. Usually, the question starts with the word test the behavior of the system. Sometimes we start test the consistency of the system. Both are same. In that case, you write consistent or inconsistent. Simple. First question. Test the consistency of the system. Once again, stop murmur. Everyone stop murmur. Fine. The first problem is what you have written. Test the consistency of the system. X plus y plus z equal to 4. X plus y plus z equal to 4. 2x plus 5y minus 2z equal to 3. X plus 7y minus 7z equal to 5. Sit, sit, sit. Concentrate here. Look at the board. Convert into the matrix form. 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, minus 2, 1, 7, minus 7 into x, y, z equal to 4, 3, 5. This is in the form ax equal to b, which is non-homogeneous. Okay. May I know what is the augmented matrix A along with B? A along with B. 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 5, minus 2, 3, 1, 7, minus 7, 5. What is the first target? implies R2 minus 2R1. R3 implies R3 minus R1. Yeah, perform this. Tell me A by B equivalent to, yeah, tell me 1, 1, 1, 4, 0, R2 minus 2R1, 5 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 2, 3, next minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, 3 minus 8, minus 5, next 0, 7 minus 1, 6, minus 7 minus 1, minus 8, 5 minus 4, 1. Which element is your target? Make 6 0 using 3. What is operation? R3 implies R3 minus 2R2. Now, get ready with the elements. Yeah, I need your valuable response. 1, 1, 1, 4, 0, 3, minus 4, minus 5, 0, 0, 0. 6 minus 6, 0, minus 8 plus 0. Next, 1 plus 10. 1 plus 10, 11. Now it is in which form? Echelon form. Dear students, what is the rank of A? Rank of A? 2. Yes. ఏలో ఓన్లీ ఏ, నేను ఏ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ఏలో ఫస్ట్ రో ఏంటి? ఏలో సెకండ్ రో, ఏలో థర్డ్ రో. దట్ ఈస్ వై వాట్ ఇస్ ద ర్యాంక్? 2. ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ బై బి ఆర్ నాన్ జీరో రోస్. 1 1 1 4 నాన్ జీరో రో, 0 3 మైనస్ నాన్ జీరో రో, 0 0 0 11. సో what is the relationship between these two? For it is inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. No solution. Sometimes this is over. ఇది అయిపోయింది. వినండి. Sometimes the ranks will be same. The ranks will be same. That will also same with n. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? Unique solution. How to find the unique solution మరి? Gauss elimination method. Which method? Gauss. Solving z first, y next. Solving the equations. Third equation, first equation. Automatic solution వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? In case rank less than n, the system contains infinite. That we'll discuss. These problems we'll discuss tomorrow. Once again, we have a session tomorrow, right? Unda? Have you understood now? Easy or not? Now you have the difference between inconsistent and consistent with the help of facts. Wait. We have to finish 3 more problems now. But up to 4 p.m. only. I won't extend after 4, right? 6 వరకు. ఏమైంది? రేపు చేసిన తర్వాత ఇస్తాను మేడం. మేడం రేపు ఇస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు కాలేదు కదా, కాన్సెప్ట్ అయిపోలేదు. ఇన్కన్సిస్టెంట్ మీదనా? ఇద్దాం, తీసుకురండి. Once you copy, I'll give. Keep quiet. Yourself. Last bench. మీరేసి ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి మేడం, రాసిస్తాను. ఇన్కన్సిస్టెంట్లో ఇది అయిన తర్వాత నో సొల్యూషన్ అంతే. ఒకటి సి బాయ్స్, you have maintained the silence from 1:15 to 3:55. I need the same in the last 5 minutes also. లాస్ట్ 5 మినిట్స్కి వచ్చింది ఏంటి? నేను డిస్టర్బ్ అయితే ఇంకొక 1 అవర్ చెప్తాను, నాకేం ఇబ్బంది లేదు. మా ఫీల్డే ఇది కాబట్టి మీరు మాత్రము ఇంత క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇవ్వకుండా చెప్తా, చచ్చిపోతారు. ఒక 5 మినిట్స్ ఓపిక పట్టండి, మీరు వెళ్ళిపోతారు. యూ విల్ లీవ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఓకేనా మెయింటైన్ ది సైలెన్స్ విత్ డిసిప్లిన్. సైలెన్స్ అండ్ డిసిప్లిన్ రెండు ఇంత క్లియర్గా చెప్పిన బాబు లైవ్ తీసేయి, నన్ను లైవ్ తీసేసాయి.